Let's start a new topic under the Sale of Goods Act 1930. Sale by non-owner. Sale by a person who is not an owner. If you do not have 100 rupee note, can you give me that 100 rupee note? If you do not have money, can you give me money? If you do not have a bike, can you sell me a bike? Can you give me that bike which you do not have? If you do not possess a house, can you sell me the house? The question it's a common question. In all the cases, the question is one: can you transfer the property of something which you do not own, which you do not have? Now, the answer to all the questions will surely be no. Because to give it to somebody else, you need at first place to have it. At first place, you should have that thing to give it to somebody else. If you do not have it, how can you give it to someone else? Can you? You can't. So, to give, we need to have first. So, same is the case under the contract of sale. When you are selling goods, first you should have the goods, and not only this, the more important thing here is you should be the owner of the goods, because when you are selling the goods, you are transferring the ownership of the goods. So, to transfer ownership, you need to first have ownership with you. If you do not have ownership, how can you transfer ownership? You cannot. It's a simple thing. However, in some cases, we may see that there are some persons who do not own the goods, yet they can sell the goods and transfer a proper title, transfer a proper ownership to the buyer. Let's see how. Now, this is a Latin maxim that we have. Maxim is a legal saying. This is in Latin. Namo dat Quod non habet. Meaning, no one can give who himself does not have. So, if you literally want me to translate, Nemo means no one. That means who. Quod means give. Non means does not. Habet means have. If you literally read it this way, you will not understand it. It becomes meaningless. No one who give does not have. But it actually means no one can give who does not have. And that is what is written here. No one can give who himself does not have. That means if you do not have a thing, how can you give it to somebody else? You can't. So this is our general rule. A person who does not have a thing, he cannot give it. Similarly, a person who does not own anything, he cannot sell it. But as we've seen, there's always exceptions to general rule. So let's see what are the exceptions to this rule. A person who does not own, who's not an owner, yet he can sell and transfer the ownership.